Number 11, we actually gotta subtract these. So this is gonna be a really interesting problem. So the first thing I look at the bottom, I'm like, hey, I gotta get a common denominator. I see this x squared minus 25, that's simply an x minus 5, x plus 5. That's all that is, difference of squares. What is this x squared plus 9x plus 20? Well, the things that multiply together give us 20 or 1 and 20. That will not give me a 9. 2 times 10, that won't give me a 9. But my next guy will. He is an x plus 4, x plus 5. So they both have the x plus 5 and x plus 5. So they got that in common. Now, this one here has an x plus 4, but it doesn't have an x minus 5. So what I'm going to need to do is I need to multiply this far left one. I need to multiply him by an x minus 5 so that he has an x minus 5, x plus 5, and the x plus 4. But if I multiply the bottom by x minus 5, this x plus 1 is going to have to be multiplied by an, x minus 5. Over here on this guy, he has an x minus 5, x plus 5. So they now share the x minus 5, the x plus 5, x plus 5. But he needs the x plus 4 so that they now share that. So these three things will be our common denominator. But since I multiplied the bottom by an x plus 4, this guy's going to have to be multiplied by an x plus 4. So we need to go ahead. We're going to go ahead. Let's do it back in blue. I'm going to go ahead and figure out what x plus 1 times the x minus 5 is. X times x is x squared. X times the minus 5 is minus 5x. 1 times x is 1x. And 1 times that is minus 5. Then I'm subtracting whatever I get over here. That's the key. We're going to mess that up. You got to remember, you're subtracting this entire thing. So what is an x minus 4 times an x plus 4? That's a difference of squares. It's going to end up being an x squared minus 16. When you do it, you'd have x times x, which is x squared, but you would get a plus 4x, and then here you're going to get the minus 4x, which is going to make them go away, and negative 4 times positive 4 is the minus 16. So we're going to have to distribute that negative sign through. Now, when we do it, I'm going to go ahead and do it right here. The minus is going to go on here, and that's going to change to a plus 16. And now we can go ahead and put things together. So here's going to be our fraction. In the bottom, what do we have? We have an x minus 5, an x plus 5, and also an x plus 4. That's what we have. Up top, we have an x squared minus an x squared. They go away. Cool. Lose 5x, gain x. You've lost 4x. So it's a negative 4x. And then simply lose 5, gain 16. You have gained 11. And there is the final answer to problem 11.